impressed upon me as a child. I sit here today talking with you because of my education and because the emphasis on education and hard work. So I can't emphasize the importance of education enough. Education produces future leaders. It produces the workforce of the future. It's tremendously important. Health and public safety, also important. Public health, we need to acknowledge that we have problems. There are things that we can address as a Commonwealth, and there are things that we cannot address that the federal government must address. For example, health care for Americans. Excess of 40 million Americans without affordable health care. This is really not acceptable in a free and democratic society where we place an emphasis on the importance of all people. It's just not acceptable. We need to address that and work towards solutions. Public safety, extremely important. Our law enforcement, our first responders, our firefighters, all of these folks jeopardize their personal safety. They put their lives on the line for us. So in addition to making certain they have the tools, adequate tools to do their job, we must, absolutely must, think of their retirement. They've earned a respectful retirement. For example, we need to do everything we can to bring all fire stations in the Commonwealth up to closer to recommended staffing levels. This is a safety issue. It's not just a safety issue for the people that they go to serve in a house fire, the victims. It's a safety issue for them. A certain number of people are needed to run that fire truck, to safely get in, remove the victims, and then get their own folks out safely.
So you continue to be active in the political arena in Northern Virginia? I do. And we'll continue to give back to the community.
I will continue to do that because I think it's important that we all do everything we can to protect the core services of the Commonwealth, to problem solve when we have issues that need worked on, and to just generally move forward in a bipartisan manner. In the spirit of newly elected Senator Mark Warner, we've got to be centrist when we view issues. We really need to work together. It's cooperation's indispensable.